Blaze the Sneezing Dragon. In the heart of Emberwood Forest lived a young dragon named Blaze. He was bright green with glittering orange scales that shimmered like sunset sparks. Blaze loved to soar through the skies, loop through rain clouds, and breathe gentle puffs of smoke just for fun. But one morning, achoo! A burst of fire shot from his nose like a cannon. Uh-oh! The nearby trees sizzled, and tiny flames danced across the grass. "Oh no!" cried Blaze, flapping his wings to put them out. "What's happening to me?" Down below, the forest animals peeked out from their burrows. "Your sneezes are setting the forest on fire!" squeaked Rebecca the rabbit. "You need help fast." Blaze sniffled sadly. "I didn't mean to. I'll go find Professor Hoot, the wise owl of Windy Hollow." Blaze flew through the clouds, sneezing fiery bursts along the way. Every achoo made birds scatter and smoke puff across the treetops. At last, he landed with a thud before Professor Hoot's grand oak tree. The wise old owl peered over his round glasses. "Good heavens, Blaze, you're smoking from the snout." Professor Hoot flapped down and listened to Blaze's story. He said thoughtfully. "Sounds like a pollen puff problem." "Pollen what?" Blaze asked, puzzled. "Pollen," said the owl, holding up a magnifying glass. "Tiny dust from flowers. When you breathe it in, your dragon nose gets ticklish." Professor Hoot mixed glowing liquids and a pinch of crushed peppermint leaves. "This potion should help, but we must test it first." Blaze sniffed a bunch of flowers. Wait! No sneeze!" The potion worked. Blaze danced in delight, spinning circles in the air. To thank the forest, Blaze planted rows of rainbow flowers where his sneezes had scorched the earth. Rebecca and the other animals helped water them, and soon Emberwood was more colourful than ever before. "Now remember," said Professor Hoot, handing him a small silk pouch, "always carry your dragon-sized hanky, just in case." Blaze became the forest's new hero. He taught other dragons how to take care of their health and respect nature. Soon, the skies were filled with happy dragons who flew and sneezed safely. And from that day on, Blaze's fiery sneeze became a funny legend in Emberwood Forest. Because everyone knew, even the fiercest dragons sometimes just need a tissue. Moral of the story is, taking care of your health and your friends is the bravest thing of all.
Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to this channel for more free songs, stories and quizzes.